Let's take a look at these FURTALK Sun Hats. This is my first one, a tan one that has all these are both same features. Lightweight, breathable hat. Has a chin strap, which I pull through the ponytail hole. It also has a shock cord, an elastic strap that goes around so you can cinch it down to your head if you're on a windy day on the golf course or on a boat. This one is a sand color, I believe. I've had this one now for quite a while. It's gone through the wash machine a couple of times now, but I just got a green one, and I think I'm going to enjoy this one for fishing. It's a little darker. It's got the same chin strap with a clamp and a bead. The elastic strap also has a cinch strap or clamp and a bead. Makes it real easy to adjust. You don't get a headache. It's nice and soft. It's very lightweight. The brim is wider than any of my other sun hats. That's why I like the FURTALKs. One of the reasons I like the FURTALKs. This material is so lightweight, and it is sunblock 50 plus. So not only does it shade your eyes, but if you got any skin showing up top, you're in good shape. I like that you can fold them up as well. I want to thank FURTALK for sending us this one to check out. Hope this helps.